back to my channel. It's Sarah and I'm back with another self-care routine. So let's just get right into it. I'm starting off by doing a little maintenance using some Nair face cream. I haven't gone into the salon to get my lip wax, so I did that myself. And then I also shaped up my eyebrows using the same Nair. I just leave it on for a few minutes and then I wipe it off and then I'm good to go. While I wait for that, I'm going to paint my nails, and I'm using this shade called In a Blush. This is just like a really pretty pale pink. If you like bubble bath, then this is something that you would also like on your nails. And I did these press-ons earlier by Kiss, and you can leave them bare, but I just like to paint over them with a nice little neutral color. Now for my body care, I'm doing a sweet rose scent. I am running myself a nice little bubble bath, and I made the bubbles using the butterfly shower gel from Bath & Body Works, and this is a sweet iris, vanilla, and raspberry scent. While I sit in my bath, I'm going to exfoliate my skin using a Tree Hut scrub. This one is their cotton candy scent, and it just has a really sweet sugary strawberry smell. I like using this scrub with florals because it makes it fruity and fun. I've been loving fruity floral combos lately, especially with this hot weather, so you guys might be seeing more fruity floral combos on my channel. After that, I'm using this peony and patchouli body wash from J.R. Watkins. This body wash is super creamy, moisturizing, and fragrant. It has a nice pink peppery floral scent to it. After my bubble bath, I do my skincare routine. I'm using the Verse Wash It Out Gel Cleanser. This one has rose water and ceramide, so it's really good for sensitive skin, and it's pretty moisturizing. And I use that on my Foreo Luna 3 and wash my face for at least 60 seconds. After that, I'm doing my favorite part of all of my pamper routines, which is to do my Foreo UFO 2 mask. I'm using their Manuka Honey Sheet Mask for this, which is super moisturizing. To soothe my face a little more, I follow up with an ice roller. So I'm applying a little bit of lip balm, and let's get into this face mask. So basically, this is a smart mask device which allows you to do an entire sheet mask routine in 90 seconds rather than sitting there for 20 minutes. So after I've picked which mask I'm going to use, I pick the matching routine that's on the app. And this UFO 2 device has cryotherapy and thermotherapy, and it delivers all these different benefits to your skin. And it also has light therapy. There are different LED lights for different skin concerns like wrinkles, dullness, acne. I absolutely love this thing, and the presets make it so easy to use. Plus, it plays little spa music in the background, so it's ultra relaxing, and I just love using this thing. Once I'm done with my masking treatment, I follow up with an ice roller. I got this off of Amazon, and I honestly bought into the hype because of TikTok, but it is totally worth the purchase. It's so soothing, and it makes my skincare products feel that much better. Then once I'm done with that, I just remove the sheet mask and then rub any of the excess serum into my face. My skin has been so dry lately, so I'm really trying to get all the moisture that I can get. Next, I'm using a little eye cream. This is the Clarins Double Serum. You can control the amount of product that comes out, and it's basically like an oil mixed with a cream. It feels very nice under my eyes, and it's lightweight. Wears well under my makeup also. This is one of my favorite eye creams to use at night because I wake up with really plump, radiant looking under eyes, and I do have dark circles, but I've totally seen a difference using this product. I should have done this before, but my skin was just feeling really thirsty, so I decided to use this after the eye cream. This is my Snail Mucin Essence, my favorite serum of all time. If you have a broken skin barrier or suffer from hyperpigmentation, you need to incorporate this product into your skincare routine. It just makes your skin look insanely good, like airbrushed. I got this moisturizer as a sample, but I'm in love with it. It's the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Daily Moisturizer. It makes my skin feel and look so hydrated. I love a dewy, plump skin look, and this delivers. I will absolutely be using this sample until there is nothing left. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. I'm pretty sure it's available at Sephora. To lock in all of that moisture, I'm using a face oil. This is the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 oil, and I'm only applying that around my nose because that has been the driest lately. A lot of people don't know that you can still get the name brand and the scent without spending all the money if you just get the body care line. So I have these products from MFK to finish off my body care routine. I'm using the Ala Rose scented body cream, which is a fresh, feminine, just very pretty, dainty scent. There's rose, of course, but there's also some citrus to brighten it up, like bergamot, orange, and then there's some magnolia and musk. The smell of this lotion alone lasts forever and it's very noticeable. It also feels super luxurious on my skin and gives me a nice glow. Speaking of glow, I'm following up using the Ala Rose scented body oil from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This has the same scent, obviously, but it just adds that extra something to my body care routine. This is a great alternative to purchasing the perfume if you didn't want to pay the high price tag. This body oil leaves a light, airy scent trail, and it's a body care product, so it's like a little 2-for-1 life hack. Lastly, I'm applying the Ala Rose Scented Hair Mist, which is also another great alternative or just a nice addition to layer. If you're new to hair perfumes, they have less alcohol content, so they actually last longer and they don't dry out your hair. I'll leave all these products linked down below, but that's all for this video and I hope that y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!